Here is the challenge. We've got a table where dates are stuck as column headers. Products are glued to numbers with a dash. The goal? Turn this chaos into a clean, simple table with just 3 columns: date, product, value. Let's see how to crack it in Power Query, step by step. First move, unpivot. Right now, every date has its own column, which makes analysis painful. Select the first column, hold Shift and click the last one. Or press Ctrl-A to grab everything. Then click Unpivot Columns. Now all those wide data columns are stacked neatly into one column to get the attribute, with numbers in values. Already better. These names aren't very useful. Turn attribute into date. Use the formula bar for quick editing. It's faster than double-clicking headers. Select the column and click Split Column. Split Column by Delimiter. The delimiter is a dash. Now we've got 2 columns, one for product codes, one for numbers. Quick tidy up. First split column product, second split column value. Now our 3 target columns are here: date, product, value. Almost done. Check the date column closely. Some rows look fine. Others have extra digits in the end. That's because the headers carried extra characters. To fix this, we will use transform extract first characters. We will grab the first 11 of them. Click OK, and now every row has a proper date string. The last step is to fix the data types. Dates and numbers are still text. You can tell because they are left aligned. So we will choose decimal numbers for values and date for our dates. And that's the challenge solved. We started with a wide, messy table and ended with a clean dataset, date, product, value. This is the format analysis loves, perfect for pivot tables, charts and even Power BI. And now you know how to transform it like this. See ya!